What if camping in the wild could feel more futuristic than your own living room? From two-story air houses to swing chairs that unfold in 3 seconds, this lineup is packed with pure innovation. Let's dive straight in. Forget traditional tents. The Xeno Nest is a futuristic 2-story camping pod that inflates in just 5 minutes and gives you both a sleeping loft and a downstairs hangout. It's got panoramic windows, an integrated awning, and enough space to stretch out like you're glamping on Mars. Rain or shine, its triple-layered structure keeps you insulated, dry, and comfy. And yes, it even has a zip-up staircase between levels. Whether you're out with family or just want your own portable 2-floor getaway, the Xeno Nest makes nature feel like a luxury suite. Now this is how you unwind outdoors. The Macaka swing chair sets up in just 3 seconds, and once you're in it, you'll never want to leave. It folds into a compact bag but opens into a floating recliner with a breathable mesh body, cup holders. Unlike hammocks, you don't need trees. Just pop the frame open and chill wherever. It's strong enough to hold up to 300 pounds and stable enough to swing gently without tipping. Great for stargazing, campfires, or just catching a mid-hike nap. Charging your phone in the wild just got way cooler. SYUL is a rugged, solar-powered 15,000 mAh power bank built specifically for outdoor life. It's waterproof, shockproof, and even comes with a built-in LED lantern and Bluetooth speaker. One side soaks up the sun while the other lights up your night. The dual USB ports let you charge multiple devices, and the solar cells are super efficient, even in cloudy weather. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just going off-grid for the weekend, SYUL keeps your devices juiced and your playlist rolling. Ever wish your cooler had shoulder straps? Meet the world's first soft backpack fridge. The Sophie Chill 22 doesn't just keep drinks cold, it refrigerates them. With built-in battery-powered cooling, this thing acts like a portable mini-fridge that straps onto your back. It's lightweight, waterproof, and holds up to 22 liters of food and drinks. This flashlight is tiny, but don't underestimate it. The Nano B9 is literally the size of a coin and weighs under 5 grams, but it pumps out up to 100 lumens with multiple light modes. Magnetic, waterproof, and made from aerospace aluminum, it clips onto your gear, keychain, zipper, or hat brim. It's rechargeable by USB-C and lasts for hours, making it a perfect EDC backup. Whether you're looking for your gear at night or signaling in an emergency, this isn't just a multi-tool, it's the Swiss Army knife of camping axes. The Adventure Mate V3 combines an axe, saw, shovel, hammer, and pry bar, all into one ultra-durable unit. Built with heat-treated carbon steel and aircraft-grade aluminum, it's tough enough for chopping wood, digging fire pits, or clearing trails. It even comes with a quick swap head system and folds down for easy storage in your backpack. Whether you're a casual camper or serious survivalist, the V3 is that one tool you'll actually want on every trip. Camp stoves usually mean bulky canisters and complicated setups, but not this one. The Backpacker is an all-in-one integrated stove that weighs just a few ounces and folds smaller than a paperback. It includes a windscreen, fuel chamber, and cooking surface in one sleek unit. Ideal for solo campers or ultralight backpackers, it boils water fast and runs on common fuel sources. No batteries, no pumps, just efficient cooking. Whether you're brewing morning coffee or whipping up noodles on a cliffside, this stove brings the heat without the hassle. Who knew one gadget could do this much? The 01 pump is a compact 5-in-1 powerhouse that works as an air pump, vacuum sealer, lantern, fire blower, and even a power bank. Need to inflate your mattress in seconds? Done. Want to vacuum seal snacks or blow air into your campfire? Easy. Its built-in lantern offers up to 180 lumens, and the whole device fits in your palm. Plus, it's rechargeable via USB-C. Whether you're packing light or just hate carrying 5 different tools, this multitasker is a game changer. The Bush Telly, retro campfire charm. Take a break from screens and bring storytelling back to the campfire. The Bush Telly is a clever, collapsible camping frame that transforms your fire pit into a cozy viewing space. No electricity, just vibes. It's designed to frame the fire like a vintage TV set, adding a touch of nostalgic charm to your evenings outdoors. Lightweight, foldable, and made from durable steel, it sets up in seconds and makes every fire feel like a show. It's camping with personality, and perfect for creating memories around the flames. P10 Professional Power Bank and Hub. Tired of juggling chargers? The P10 is more than a power bank. It's a full-on charging station disguised as a compact, rugged brick. With a 27,000 mAh capacity, 100-watt USB-C PD output, wireless charging pad, and 10-watt key support, it's ready to juice up laptops, drones, cameras, and phones simultaneously. It even supports pass-through charging, so you can refill the bank while powering your gear. The digital display gives you real-time info, and it's built tough for field use. Whether you're filming outdoors or running a camp setup, the P10 keeps it all running smoothly. Morph Cooker, all-in-one electric camp stove. Ditch the gas canisters. Morph Cooker is the all-electric, all-in-one camp stove that runs off your power bank. Yep, you heard that right. This sleek, foldable cooker lets you boil, fry, grill, or even bake using USB power. With adjustable temperature controls, multiple cooking modes, and a modular design, it's like bringing a smart kitchen into the wild. It's compact enough to slip into your gear and powerful enough to cook steak, eggs, or even bake a mini pizza. Haven Tent, Flat Lay Hammock Shelter. What if your hammock didn't sag? The Haven Tent takes the pressure off your back, literally, by giving you a flat, horizontal sleeping surface suspended in the air. Designed with built-in bug nets, a weatherproof rain fly, and even an inflatable mattress, it's a floating bed that keeps you above uneven ground and out of the mud. Setup takes just minutes, and it works between two trees or with the optional ground stand. Whether you're in bear country or just want the coziest nap spot ever, the Haven Tent is pure camping comfort. Septum Pure Titanium Camp, grill and hot plate grill gear, just leveled up. Septum's camp grill is forged entirely from pure titanium, making it ultralight, rust-proof, and strong enough to handle open flame cooking. It includes a laser-cut grill and a smooth hot plate, so you can flip burgers or sear veggies in style. The foldable legs lock in place for stability, and the whole thing packs down slim into its custom case. Titanium also means faster heat up and easy cleaning. Whether you're grilling trout by the lake or bacon at sunrise, this hot plate turns meals into an experience. Windy weather? No problem. The MSR Wind Burner is a compact, all-in-one cooking system built to defy the elements. Thanks to its enclosed burner and pressure-regulated design, it boils water fast, even in gusty, freezing conditions. The system locks the pot to the stove, preventing spills, and includes a heat exchanger for maximum fuel efficiency. Whether you're brewing coffee at 10,000 feet or cooking noodles in a rainstorm, Wind Burner keeps the flame alive. It's a favorite among backcountry pros, and for good reason. It works when others fail. Say goodbye to freezing river baths. The Nemo Helio is a portable, pressurized shower that lets you rinse off anywhere. No gravity needed. Just fill the tank, give it a few pumps with your foot, and enjoy a steady spray for up to 7 to 10 minutes. Whether you're washing dishes, cleaning gear, or getting that trail dust off your skin, Helio's long hose and soft nozzle make it effortless. Plus, it's black for solar heating, so your water actually warms up under the sun. Clean, warm, and totally off-grid. Yes, please. Safety isn't optional when you're off-grid. The Surviveware 98-piece first aid kit is compact, tough, and loaded with well-organized supplies for everything from cuts and scrapes to more serious injuries. It includes high-quality bandages, antiseptics, tweezers, a CPR mask, and even a mini trauma kit, all inside a water-resistant case with labeled compartments for quick access. It also comes with a first aid guide to help in stressful moments. Whether you're hiking deep into the woods or just car camping with family, This kit gives real peace of mind. This isn't just a flashlight, it's a full survival toolkit in your hand. Mutaflex packs 13 different functions into one rugged, waterproof, aircraft-grade aluminum body. You get a powerful LED flashlight with multiple brightness modes, a built-in power bank, emergency strobe, seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, compass, and even a mini fire starter. It's USB-C rechargeable and tough enough for real outdoor abuse. Whether you're setting up camp after dark, dealing with a roadside emergency, or just want an EDC light that does more, Mutaflex is your ultimate outdoor wingman. Tired of wrestling with tent poles? The Giga tent makes setup effortless with a single button. It inflates both the tent and the built-in mattress in under 60 seconds. No pump, no hassle. The double-layer design keeps you warm and dry, while the spacious interior comfortably fits 2 adults. It also includes LED lighting and USB charging ports, so it feels more like a techie hotel room than a tent. Perfect for solo campers, festival goers, or anyone who wants luxury-level convenience in the wild. Just press, inflate, and relax. That's it. 20 next-level camping gadgets designed to change how you explore the outdoors. If even one of these blew your mind, imagine what the next video has in store. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and let us know which gadget you'd pack first. See you in the next one.